Hello friends, let's begin today again. Today we want to complete the Anchor rank, so it will take a bit of time. Yes, 30 days of code from score. Slowly. Let me zoom in. Is it visible? Hmm. Yes, it is visible, I think. Today we are discussing scope. The absolute difference between two integers a and b is written as modulus of a minus b. The maximum absolute difference between two integers is a set of positive integer elements is the largest absolute difference between any two integer underscore elements. Hmm. The difference class is started for you in the editor. It has a private integer array elements for strong and non-negative integer and public integer for strong the minimize task. Complete the difference class by writing the following. The class constructor that takes an array of integer as a parameter and saves it as it to the elements instance variable. A compute difference method that finds the maximum absolute difference between any two numbers in underscore elements and stores it is maximum difference instance variable. Um, This is based on integer, totally on integer. Mm, okay, you are not responsible for reading any input for standard input. The locked solution class in the editor reads in two lines of input. The first line contains the size of the elements array. The second line has n space separated integer that describes the underscore elements array. Contents output. Sample input 3, 1, 2, 5 elements. Output 4. Let's see the explanation how this works. Find the maximum difference between two elements. 1 minus 2 1. 1 minus 5 4. 2 minus 5 3. The maximum is 4. So the output is 4. It takes a lot of time again. Mhm. Already they have given a class that is a difference. Mm, this this takes a bit time. I think so, right? Hmm? Cool. S is an object of scanner. N is the first element, space of the array, size of the array, and a value. Mm, no difference. Again, an object is created with the class difference and difference dot maximum difference. A class constructor that takes an array of integer as a parameter. They have given private. First, I should define a class difference. Difference of int array elements. Element or number. Number. Hmm. Making it as this dot num equal to elements. Hence, elements. Okay. Now I should compute it. Hmm. Yes, compute difference. Word compute difference. Compute difference of it's empty. After this, I should also minimize difference. This also should be taken. Compute difference int max equal to. I will take array stream of elements max. Array stream of num dot max. We'll find out the max from this function and we'll tell it as it is as integer. Get as int because we need only integer values, and even I should accept minimum similar to maximum. Dot stream num dot min. Yes, I forgot it is a function. Now it is also in a int as I said. Deposit, and I will find the maximum difference with the function called this. Equal to max minus min. This should work, or else I think I should change this value. This dot num. And this should be also equal to string. That's it, num, right? Only Influence only, I'll take it off. this num is count two elements and this. So this was also calculated according to that. Arrays dot string. Couldn't find. Yeah, did I miss anything? Hmm. No, I didn't miss anything. Arrays is capital. Int max is also normal. Same dot. Even get us is getting an error. Hmm. Input math is to take an error. Then what might be the error? Error AYS dot stream str am. Get as integer. It was not. Now it will work. Arrays. Did I take any arrays? Was it any object? Hmm. Hmm. I'll rewrite it. Error AYS arrays dot stream 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 of elements dot max of dot get as and method stream of int class arrays. Did I take anywhere class of arrays? No, right? Then what may be the error? Let me take this or strem stream of it and search it out. This primitive tab. And stream of dot max range. Think array was not necessary. Let me try it out. Instead of arrays, they do directly in stream. Let me copy entirely and see how does it work. In stream, yeah, I got it. This something else. Did I make any mistakes? Let me remove this. Directly I'll go to stream. Um, hmm. Let's move to next. Or else let's do this. Take array and try once. When this works. If nothing works. Hmm. Arrays. I think instead of string arrays of stream, I think arrays of stream of elements. Hmm. We'll just submit the code. Nothing works out as there was an error. Can't find symbol. Cannot find symbol. Let me go to another one. Solve linked list. Today we will work with linked list. A node class is provided for you in the editor. A node object has an integer data field data and a node instance pointer. Next, pointing to another node, a node insert function is also declared in your editor. It has two parameters, a pointer head pointing to the first node of a linked list and an integer data that must be added to the end of the list as a new node object. Task: complete the insert function in your editor so that it creates a new node. Pass data as the node constructor argument and insert it to the tall of the linked list referred by head parameter. Once a new node is added, return the reference to the head node. Note the head argument is null for an empty list. Input format: the first line contains "t", the number of elements to insert. Each of the next "t" lines contains an integer to insert to the end of the list. This is T4, first data 2, fourth data 1. Sample output 2, 3, 4, 1. This is based in a node. Let me go in depth. I don't wanna miss this as last time. Node start equal to head, while start not equal to null. System.out.print start.data. Hmm, did I set any start data next? Sure. Start equal to start at next. Okay, I should do it. Public static void main. Here I have object sc and node at equal to null, int n equal to hmm, everything is according to this. Hmm. Now firstly let me see everything is good. And solution node insert. In this I showed node data. Sorry, node head int data. Hmm. Firstly, complete the insert function in a ready to start creates a new node and inserts it to it at the tail linked list. But once the new node is added, return the reference to the head node. We should return to head node. Display head. Already everything is done. I think I should firstly add a new node, or else first I'll check it if node node of head equal to null. Then return new node. Return new node of data. This data is returned. Else no node. We create a new object n equal to head. Let me name it as t. While t dot next not equal to null, then return or else t equal to t dot next. This is one part. After while I'll take t dot next equal to new node of data. Return head. Hope this works. Not hope. Yeah, door. Submit code. Every test case has been worked. Let me go back and I will go for interfaces. We are learning about interfaces. Okay, the advancement arithmetic interface and the method declaration for the abstract divisor sum method are provided for you in the editor below. Complete the implementation of calculator class which implements the advanced arithmetic interface. The implementation for the divisor sum method must return the sum of all divisors of n. Input a single line containing an integer n consists 1 less than equal to n, 1 less than or equal to 1000 output format. You are not responsible for pointing the input 6 sample output. I implemented advanced arithmetic tool. Explanation: the integer 6 is eventually divided by 1, 2, 3 and 6. Our divisor sum method should return the sum of these numbers, which is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. The solution class obtained. Okay. Firstly, what is advanced arithmetic? I should look into it. Then divisor sum also I will look into it. There are many things I don't want to open them. Let me zoom it out. Let me go to divisor of sum of n. And I think it is mostly not predefined. This is from the program itself. Let me look into it. Yes, it's not predefined. I thought it was predefined and I was looking into it. Object scan n is inputted and then advanced arithmetic my calculator equal to new calculator. Advanced arithmetic class divisor sum. Hmm. This divisor sum is again in calculator. Okay. System.I implemented plus math calculator plus code. Hmm. Everything is coded here. Hmm. Before returning 0, I will take sum and sum equal to 0. Then I'll go to for loop for int I equal to 1, I less than and I plus plus equal to less than or equal to if phi n divisible by I equal to 0, then return to sum equal to sum plus equal to uh, I plus n divided by I. This is one step. Even I think I should return to return sum. Should divide it when divided by it, and I will take square root sqrt square root of square root equal to int of math int space math. It is a mathematics function sqrt of n square root of n. Square root of n if srt into srt equal to null n sum into sum minus equal to srt. Returns your output expected output. I should implement another enter step equal to n modulus of 2 equal to 1 if true 2 or else 1. If it is true, it goes 2. If it is false, 1. And plus equal to next. This adds up some value, and even I will replace n with the SRT. Next, it was step hash. Even though I got one error, what is it? What is it? Hmm. My output 51 and expected was 42. Don't wanna miss this now. I'm damn serious. Sum equal to 0, integer math dot square root of n. Yes, this is right. And then step equal to n minus. Now I equal to 1, I less than equal to SRT, I plus equal to step as it is. If it is 0, sample is equal to I plus n divided by I. I think if it is 1, it would not work, right? Then SRT into SRT equal to null. Everything was right. It's not 1, I think. Took 1. My bad. Wow. Now I'm in silver. Sorting. We'll discuss a simple sort algorithm called Google sort. For int I equal to 0, I less than and I plus plus, and number of swaps 0. Int j equal to 0, j less than and minus 1, j plus plus. If a of j greater than a of j plus 1, swap a of j comma a of j plus 1 number of swaps. If no elements were swapped during a traversal, array is sorted if. Okay. Now task given an array A of size and district sort the array in ascending order using the bubble sort algorithm above. Array is sorted in num swaps, where num swap is the number of swaps that took place. First element first is the sort in the sorted array. Okay, done. Here is the example. The array is 4, 3, 1, 2. Firstly, round 1, 3. Swap this round 3, swap this round 2, and swap this round 0. Array is sorted in 5 swaps. First element 1, last element 4. Input is an integer, output is an integer. Sample input 3. Here 1, 2, 3 have taken array sorted in 0 swaps. First element 1, last element 3. Okay, if everything is sorted, then this should be the answer. Let me declare here only that swaps is equal to 0. because int number of swaps is equal to 0 in the given thing, and I will take it as private static int swaps equal to 0. Now the main function has been started, and here it has been scanned. I should write the code from here. I'll close scan.clc close. Uh, I'll take bubble sort here. View pple sort design function of array. I will not right now. View pple sort of private static void bubble sort. It is an integer int and it is an array. Here is enough for me. If a equal to null, print or return or do or return. If it is null, return nothing. Now boolean swap equal to null. True. Now I'll swap the elements from the following. I'll take int and also equal to 0 while I swapped swap becomes false equal to false for int I equal to 1 I less than a and its length because array is done in the length and minus end. It gives a precise element and I plus plus. Now here I will check out these things. If array not array a of I minus 1 greater than a of I, swap it out. Swap again I should describe swap a comma I minus 1 and I will it's also private static now void swap of int a and a and j temp to a of I equal to a of j equal to I a of I equal to temp. No. Temp. I don't know extra thing and swap plus plus. No swap plus plus. Is there anything else I'm missing out? Swap space. Now I will change this also. Swap equal to true. It was swapped, right? And I will take an offset also and set the gender as this, and I should display. Hmm. Hmm. I will add a aliases to show the values. System dot out dot println of that array is sorted in plus swaps, number of swaps. Oh, I missed it out. Swaps SWAPs. First step, first element, and it is carried away with looking into it. First element plus array of 0 because it is first element, and the last element is an array dot length of -1. Wanted a array to 47. I'll go to 47. It is void. Okay. Let me check it out. 18 scan dot close. But what was in object in it? In dot close. It is in dot close. And was it array? It was just a third one. This array. Swap to 38. This was here. That swap in class solution cannot be applied to given types. can be applied. Why it cannot be applied? Swap of requirement intent found. Relevant at array type. End of shift. Cannot find symbol. Let me remove it out. It was not necessary. Hmm. Don't think the answer was wrong. The output the value was kept. Even though what was array is sorted in zero swaps, full stop after swaps. Just now solved sorting is solved. I forgot to submit. Oh, yes. I thought the code was gone. More explanation. X. Today we are getting started with learn explanation by learning how to patch an integer from string and want a customer task read as a string and print its integer value. If s cannot be converted to an integer, print pad string. Wow, this was the task I was waiting for. Now I should use everything what I have. A single string s is less than 1 and greater than 1 less than 6 where s is positive mm, and s is composed of either lowercase letter or decimal digits. Print the parsed integer value of s or pad string if cannot be converted. 3 3 okay. If it is integer, print integer. If it is character pad string explanation. Mhm. S is composed of either lowercase letters or decimal digits. Here the string is equal to already it is inputted. Mm, Let me close it in .clc. I have closed it. Now it is totally on if and if else, right? First let me try that and num equal to in dot percent of it is integer. Now if it is integer then I should print system dot out dot println of now catch cdch. It's like empty number for expression exception. Yeah, I'm doing an exception. System dot out dot println has that string string. If it is integer, print int. If it is character, print no bad string. That's what this was all. PRC int. It is. I should convert s into integer. When I'm getting an error, when you NUMBR format. NUMBR format for MATE format exception. I should get one error. I'm having only one error because I'm equal to integer dot PRSC int of s. I've closed everything. Where am I getting this? Let me look into it. Oh, wrote the spelling wrong. The spelling is PAR. Yes, PARSC. So hunt it out. Mm, let's do remaining after 5 minutes. The dogs are barking. I should take care of it. I'll be right back. Mhm. More exceptions. Let me go to more exception. Mm, to manage exceptional situation by try and catch blocks. Okay. Sample input 4, 3, 5, 2, 4. 4 days an array size and 2 times your one input. The output is 2 and not key. Let me read it out. Input format input from stdin is handled for you by the locked stub code in your editor. The first line contains an integer t, the number of test cases. Each of the t subsequent lines describes the test case in two space separated integer that denotes n and b. Hmm. Constraints n test cases will result in overflow output. Mhm. Only important solution. I will think. Intracatch my calculator. This and class function. Now I should create. No, that is calculator. This an object. Okay. Then class calculator. Hmm. In it, I should create another class that is power w int n comma int p. Hmm. Now I'll throw it throws exception exception exception. Hmm. If n less than 0 or p less than 0, then throw new exception. Throw th throw new exception exception. I should write this n and p should sh for you. It should be non negative. Hmm. Else return end of it is math function math dot power of n comma p. Hmm. Okay, let me return class calculator. I made it as an object. Hmm. Even new exception spelling is wrong. Hmm. Even here I have written wrong exception. Yeah, yes. But now I can submit this. Just a second, will be right back. Nowadays, the dogs have become more irritated to me, unable to express those things. Hmm. This. Today we will learn about stacks and queue. A palindrome is a word, phrase, number, or other sequence of character which leads to some backwards and forwards. Can you determine if you given a string is a palindrome? To solve this challenge, you must first take each character is as equal and equally it is a queue and also push the same character into a stack. Once it's done, we must decode. Okay. Input format. You do not need to read anything from done. S is composed of lower case output format. Hmm. Is a palindrome. We are checking this out. It is a palindrome or not. Hmm. Let me go to this. Already scan is created and input is a string is inputted and now it is gone through solution class and then for push everything is done. Hmm. My thing of code is to manage it. Let me take array first array dq dq character c check cd character dq dq as stack equal to new array dq. Now let me hmm, the word input is a palindrome or not a final pop. Hmm, push character. Yes, we should make a push character and give character in this villages. I will make void push because it is a string, so I will take char further. Character char and c. Now dq d u as stack sts stack dot push of c. Done. Push character is pushed to dq. Now I should pop it out. Let me check this one. It is also character. Let me take char pop character. In this similar filter and pop. That's it. Now I popped. I should even make unique and decunique. The pop character is done here and I should take decunique and unique. Let me create again an array here with different name. Array dq. Let me make it as dq. This for queues. This for stacks. This is for queues. What is the spelling of this? QU. Yes, queues. Let me copy this for future use. New. Everything is done. For enquiry characters. Enquiry QU. EUE. Character. Is an cat. C. Now dq as q dot add of c. It is a q and void it's a char dq dq QUV character of is an empty one and return dq dot remove. Hmm. Hope this works. Yes, it has been done. Submit the code. Hmm. Let me go back. Unsolved. Banner search tree. I will do in after a break. BST best for search. Okay. You can now three challenges away from. Let me read this out. Now we are going further with binary search tree. Uh, I had doubt whether this was a binary search tree. This was also binary search tree. So let me go with the binary search tree directly. Hmm. The highest of binary search tree is the number of heads between the tree's root and its furthest leaf. You can give a point given a pointer root pointing to the root of binary search. Input format the locked stub code. Sample input 7 3 5 2 1 4 output 3 explanation. There are 7 nodes 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Hmm. And longest root of leaf plan is this side. There are 4 nodes in the path that are connected by edge 3, meaning our BST highest is 3. Thus, we print 3 as our answer. Hmm. Let me make it something easier. Hmm. Okay. Already node left into data node into it's done, and should get the height. That's it. Everything is already predefined. Let me check through this what has been done in this. Node insert is been done, so I should go to void main. In void main scanner, okay, object is SC and T is given. Node root equal to null, where everything is done for node. Accepting the node data, now I should calculate the node. Hmm. What is given? If root equal to null, return new node. Then I will take if root, yeah, root equal to null, then return -1. Hmm. Else return 1 plus math.max. I am calculating the max of this all. So get height. This would be a recursion function. Hmm. Root dot left, and then I will go to root right also by making two conditions, comma, uh, get node get height root dot right rhgt. This goes to right node, and that was the answer. Which I got. Hmm. Yes, this is done. Even our test case is done. I'll be going fast for now 23rd day. Further check out a level order traversal. Constraints output sample input 6 are taken. As you can see 6 are taken. I should arrange them in a traversal as a single node. Level 0, level 1, level 2, 2, 5, 3, 2, 5, 1, 4, 7. I should make it in a traversal separated integer with a space. Everything is taken to the previous program predefined like that. So even I will do the same. Root equal to null. Then return nothing. Else when I don't need else, I will make an array tq error array tq node dq dq equal to new array dq. This uses dq as a queue. Let me copy this queue for further use. Q dot add of root. Here I'm making it as a queue while I take while where dq not equal to is empty. Is empty. What is it? empty empty and now in while I take node of n equal to dq dot remove first is now I print it out system dot and it should have an equal size like space. I'm printing this for giving a space in between the numbers. Now I'll take for left node and then right node. Left not equal to null. Then dq dot add last n left. This will add out the last node. Now this is similarly I will do for right and n dot data ght right not equal to null. dq dot add last to n dot right ght. Cannot find this symbol. I got this error. Why this point is not working in this out? It is dot right full stop. Let me try with comma if possible. It's full stop only. emty. Oh, okay, wrong spelling. I think even previous problem was the same. 3, 2, 5. Sample output was 3, 2, 5, 1%. What did I get your output? Oh, did I miss anything? Yes, system.ln, right? Where did I code? Print alarm. It was only print. It's done. Let me go to previous thing. Hmm. That is only solved. Sorry, unsolved. In scope. Hmm. What were the errors I faced? Let me check out. Stream. This is 14th, right? Hmm. Live 19. Entire stream. STREAM. RS element DLEMETNS. Hmm. STREAM. RSARRAYS. Elements ALEMENTS dot max dot get as int. Different symbol STREAM. When I researched this in Google right yesterday, was it right or no? Let me do it again. Oh, I went into a different website. In Java. Stream. Let me copy this out if this works. Method stream was not declared, right? Hmm. Where should I declare this stream right now? Hmm. Util.stream is it was it taken? Hmm. Let me import this thing. Control. Oh, I'm unable to input anything. Let me import here. Even I was not able to import. Aha. There is no place to import. Should import right. Doesn't work. If I import there, I would be given an error. Hmm. No, can I overcome this? Overcome this. Uh, Let me make an default packages. Without stream, I can't use. Okay, I don't know what's the error. I will clear this by next thing. Let me do what is this generic Generic, we were aware that not all languages support this function. Single generated function named print array. This function consistent in the log. Method name print array. Print array element of generic. Generic. This to make an print array, right? Public void print array. Array of array. Is it T or A? Let me look into it. TTT. They have taken T already, so why should I change again? For T item array should print out system dot tell item. This is a generic function. It's done. Item array. This item is an object. Submit code. It's taking time. Yes. Unsolved. Now I'll go to this code singular. Now it's for the app. In general, I didn't take anything right. I'll do this to after a break like that. Almost increase sequence. Simple input. Even this I will do after a break. Okay. Yes, are you able to hear? Yeah, yesterday, not yesterday, just stopped till code signal. Let me read this out. Almost increase sequence. Given a sequence of integers as an array, determine whether it is possible to obtain a steady increasing sequence by removing no more than one element from the array sequence. A1 to AN is considered to be slightly increased. Then A0 is less than A1 is less than A2, so on less than N. It is in a sequential order as they have permitted. For example, 1, 3, 2, 1, the output it's false because it's not sequence. 1, 3, 2, it isn't sequence. Yes. As you know, port signal doesn't show any code, so directly they have given a sequence. I think it would accept directly a sequence from past thing. So let me go directly into this int last equal to minus 0 x186 a0 comma last minus same value control C. It's not last, it's last previous okay comma C equal to 0 or A equal to 0. Yeah, are you thinking what is the value of this? Let me show you what's the value of this. It's an hexadecimal for 1 lakh. Now for int n is represented as sequence. Now if n less than last less than or equal to last, then C++ and if n greater than last previous, then last equal to n. Now it should be continue on this thing. Now last pre equal to last after everything is done. Now last equal to n. This goes in a loop way and return C less than equal to 1 if everything goes on correct. Current statement. Yes, let me submit. Vitals has been done. Okay, continue. Close. Matrix elements sum. After becoming famous, the code boards decided to move into a new building together. I think it is not visible, so let me zoom in. Now, if I zoom in, yeah. And some of them are free, but there's a rumor that all of the free rooms are hated since the code bytes are quite suspicious. Um, that's suspicious. They refuses to stay in any of the free rooms or any of the rooms below any of the free rooms. Given matrix, a rectangular matrix of integer where each value represents the code cost of the room. Your task is to return the total sum of the rooms. For matrix 0, 1, 1, 2 should return the sum of the matrix. 1 1 2 5 and 2 3 3 doesn't require because they are lesser than the above one. So I should calculate this thing 1 1 and I got 9. There are several hundred rooms, so we will discrete them as and they have given another example 111 105511 1115 1. Now we'll take in sum as they have to find set to find out does the sum. Uh, Now let me go into for loop to see how this works out. I less than it is a matrix matrix of 0 dot length. Every matrix starts from 0, so I took 0 dot length and then I plus plus. Now it is a matrix, so we'll take again another array for loop j equal to 0 j less than matrix of matrix dot length. Already I took matrix of 0, so matrix of length, and now I should check if they are something similar or not. If matrix equal to matrix of J and I equal to 0, then break, I mean it should not be counted, or else sum equal to sum, I'll take sum equal to sum plus matrix of j comma I or I comma j, doesn't matter because everything is same as compared to things. Now I should return the sum. Return sum. Let me show this. As you can see, everything is done. Let me submit it out. Oh, it was right. Oh, smooth season is all long strings, longest. It is an array of strings. Return another array containing all of its longest strings. Example for input array A, B, C, A, the input should be all longest strings. Which are the longest string? I should import them. Input, this is all sample. Now it is a string. I'm dealing with a string. First, let me get the value of each thing. Size of an string. And max equal to stream. I'm going to take stream dot stream string string and of input. Input array. It's input array. Now it's there still. I should map it out. Map to int. Map to int of. I'm going to take and write this what this n data type n dot length I will now have find out length and I will tell to it find out the max of it and get as int sorry get as int hmm, get as int. After this everything is run maximum 80% of the code is run with this single line. Now I should return stream dot string of input string input array. Now I should filter it out. The filter in the sense I am going to filter only the length, largest length. So I will take e as some object like that e dot length equal to max. Only the max element would be printed out. No object, it's normally thing. And I will tell to it to array of string. I should display the string uh, string array new. Hmm. Oh, no, I'm guided. Hmm. Hmm. New level should come out. It's a long way to me. Common character count. Two strings S1, S2. The output should be common. A is common, C is common, and only A, C is common. So I'll get string have three common characters, two A's and one C's. Should get the common elements from these all things. And A equal to 0. Now I should give anything as common. Small letter would be good. Common equal to int stream. I'll do the similar thing as the previous program and the range. We'll take the range as from n s1 dot contain contains of char n plus third space. I should find it out, and even I will take another one and similarly I'll do for in who would they say s2 s2 I don't need brackets. I don't need even n dash. It is s2 right? Contains string and I don't want this and excludes. And I will close it again. Didn't open anything. Why did I close? No, I should close. Let me explain. I have opened here. Open, open, close, close. Hmm. It's red dot. Hmm. What should I do? I'll map of C because I'll take new thing. Hmm. Did I miss anything? Hmm. Map C. Let me carry out as normal. Int value 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 of plus. Again, this is going to make a collect of collection help collectors dot join. It doesn't start with range. Range. Okay, range I will take as 0x61 and the finishing range would be 0x7v dot filter normal filter. I think a normal filter. XP. Still collect getting this collect error. What do I do? What do I do? For maxing, I will box it out. Dot vivo box. So collector is done. Let me go to for of char o or c common dot to char array. A plus equal to math dot min of s1 dot chars dot map of n c equal to char n if n were true 1 or else 0, and then I should sum and sum. Similarly, I will do for s2. Everything is same to same, only the s2 is changed. s2. After this, I should return this import. I'm having an errors. And s2 contains only one error. 5 errors. I got errors from this only. S2. SHIPA S1 dot contains of char n plus. Okay, it has been closed. Then under S2 dot contents of char n plus. It is right. Then why I am getting error? N plus everything is wrong. Hmm. I have even boxed them and even mapped them to see did I miss anything. What is the error say? Cannot find symbol. If cannot find symbol, there would be an spelling mistake. Yes, two dot contents of char n plus. Method int value. Where did I use int value? Int value. I took C as int value. In map, okay. Before C, I should mention it is char. Then C dot int value. No. Joining collectors, boxed map C, cat C dot collect collectors dot joining. Then I should add this all things even at third. Let me submit. Hey, I should return yay. Simple mistakes. Sort by height. I'll do this later. Yes, I'm back. Now is lucky. Yeah, it's lucky. Are you able to hear the voice? I think yes. Let me zoom back. Ticket number usually consists of an even number of digits. A ticket number is considered lucky if the sum of the first half of the digit is equal to the sum of the second half. Given a ticket number n, determine if it's lucky or not. Explain. For n equal to 1, okay, value true. It is an even number, so it's true. If it is an odd number, it's not. It's false. That's what they have given. So let me do it. It's a string category. String ticket. Ticket equal to n plus written ticket. I will add a return ticket dot substring. Substring of 0 comma ticket dot its length and divided by 2. If it is true, convert into chars and map it out. Map into q. It is a new integer of char q plus dot sum of equal to ticket dot sub string ticket dot length divided by 2 comma ticket dot length. Now dot char dot map this again similar level. It's done. Continue. No sort by height. Some people are standing in a row in a park. There are trees between them which cannot be moved. Your task is to rearrange the people by their height in a non-descending order without moving the trees. People can be very tall. For I should make into a non-descending order so that every people can move properly. Sort by height. For int I equal to 0, I less than a dot length and I plus plus. It's an array. Now I'll take for int j equal to I plus 1 j less than a dot length and j plus plus. If condition would be good to sort this out, and I should return with later things. If a of I not equal to minus 1 and then a of j not equal to minus 1, then go to a subfunction a of I greater than a of j. If this condition is true, then we'll take in temp equal to a of I and a of I equal to a of j equal to temp. Now I will return this with a return submit. Reverse in parenthesis. Reverse character in possibly nested parenthesis and import string. For example, okay. Input string bar. The output should be reverse in parenthesis wrap. The output okay. Takes a normal thing. I'll skip this. I'll join you later again. Hello? Till right now I'm in intro, right? Reverse in paralysis parenthesis. Write a function that reverses the character in parenthesis in the input string. Input string will always be well formed with matching. That's it for parenthesis. Let me make a matcher. Matcher m equal to pattern dot compile. Yeah. It should be within the parenthesis. So first two letters parenthesis w star parenthesis close bracket and that's it. Dot matcher of input string. input string. Okay. Now if m not m equal to mm, no, dot find return input string. This will return if it is true. Then string. This will calculate for the given word, which will make group match. Empty, not empty, m dot group dot element will take comma state there is a function called string will take view str most probably equal to str dot replace of bracket open parenthesis comma and the space or an empty one replace it with parenthesis again similarly close parenthesis and close this I'll close this it's not dot it's comma now return reverse in parenthesis of input string dot replace it again or replace with yes and replacement would be new string builder and this rev string then reverse and convert to string close parenthesis let me run str yeah I got this error it is not str it says okay done solved in between continue close did I come to new one yes algorithmic sum alternating sum yeah thought it is different several people are standing in a row and need to be divided into two teams the first person goes into team the second person third one and it goes on but given an array of positive The weight of the people return an array of two integers where the first element is the weight of the team 1 and the second element is the total weight of the hmm, alternating string. I'll do it later. Hmm. No, I'll do right now. For example, 50, 60, 60. Okay, I should get the sum of alternative 50 plus 60 and 70, then 60 plus 45. Now what can I do? I got integer array. Let me declare a int array sum. Let me take s equal to new int of 2 or something else like that. Similar to that, for int I equal to 0, I less than a dot length and I plus plus. Now within the bracket I will take s of it is an integer, so I'll take I plus 1 and modulus of 2, which would become odd or even if true 1 or else 0. This would be added to a of I and I will return yes. This would make some adjustments. Yes, it was made right. Add border. Given a rectangular matrix of characters and a border asterisk to it, picture A, B, C, D, E, D. The output should be picture of I should form a asterisk things between the words. I mean outside the words, surrounding the words. First I should find out the length. So I'll take int length equal to picture of dot length and I'll add 2 because 1 and 2. I need the two sides 2. Now I'll string uh, string of s equal to new string uh, string of length or len. Now for int I less than or equal to 0, I less than length plus minus 2 I plus plus. Here I gonna print it out with this s of I plus 1 equal to print star plus picture of I plus star. I will return this to yes return yes. Let you can see the how thing how it does it work. Let me check the output about some other. Where did I miss? Hash and hope this would work. No. What can you do? What can you do? I would repaint it. Oh, I'm getting null. Then I think I should once and I'll test it out. I got the middle terms, I didn't get the outside terms. Okay, before return I will add a statement. S of 0 equal to S of len minus 1 equal to, we'll add the start, it would repeat at the beginning and the end of the state, so I'll repeat it. Repeat repeat of picture of 0 dot length and plus 2. It would give us a 2 lines with this. It's 0. Yes, as you can see the output expected and the output what we have got. Three problems today. I don't care. Are similar. What may be the similar things? Two are result is called similar if one can be obtained from another by swapping at most one pair of element in one of the other. You should sort and find out if they are two or not. That's what. Let me directly swap in temp equal to I'll take another function about this. I'll take void swap of int array a comma int p comma int q. Now int temp equal to a of p and a of p is given to a of q. A of q is given to temp. Right now I have completed this, so let me see if this function is true or not. If array dot equal of a comma b, then return true. This is a part, just a part int. I'll take p equal to 0 and q equal to 0. This makes me easy. For int I equal to 0, I'm sorting this out. K equal to 2, I less than b dot length, length gth I plus plus. LENGTH, that's right. Did I do any wrong? Okay, if a of I not equal to b of I, then I should sort if k equal to 2, then b equal to I and k equal to 0 or negative, and make it negative. Then I'll continue it. Makes me easy. Continue in UV. Q equal to I, K minus minus. This would be the best thing. If K equal to 0, then swap of B comma Q comma P. Return arrays dot equal of A comma B. If this everything is for doesn't work, then return false. I'm still getting this error. A dot length len. Why do I getting this error? Let me run that again. Did I mention I anywhere? No. Then and type. Okay. Took for core. I thought it was for equal to P of A. Only single equal to. Made mistakes. Yes. Yo. I'll be back 5 minutes.